Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use the maximum noise fraction toolbox in IDQ Pro. This toolbox identifies the noise removed principal components from the hyperspectral dataset. It combines these principal components in a pseudo-color image. It can then plot spectra of the components and quantify the area by each component. You can then save it in the IDQ format. To start, you'll want to open an image and navigate to the Toolbox tab. You'll then select Maximum Noise Fraction. You'll be shown these two views. One is a scatter plot. Next, you'll have the component selection panel. You can scroll through the different components assigned to different color channels. Note, the default is the first component is red, the second component is green, and the third component is blue. It's important to also consider that the first 20 principal components can be assessed. And as you scroll through, you can see how the different components interact. You can also assign weights to the components. The default value is 1. Another thing to look at is contrast saturation limit and the gamma correction. Contrast saturation limit ranges from 0 to 49%. Gamma correction takes values between 0 and infinity. The default value is 1. If gamma is less than 1, the image is weighted towards brighter pixels. So I'll enter 0.5. And if you enter a value greater than 1, the image is weighted towards darker pixels. You can also quantify by clicking the quantify button here. I will link to a different video that goes in depth on how to use the quantify toolbox. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.